Now to an ABC News exclusive, ex-NFL player Lawrence Tynes is speaking out this morning about the $20 million lawsuit he's filing against his former team, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Tynes saying he contracted a staph infection at the training facility and it ruined his career. ABC's Gio Benitez is here with all the details, and good morning to you, Gio.
Good morning to you, Lara. What a wild story. What began as a common ingrown toenail turned into a nightmarish case of MRSA. And this morning, Tynes fully blames the Bucs for the infection and even claims the team tried to hide it. This morning, ex-NFL star Lawrence Tynes is trying to tackle his former team, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, with a $20 million lawsuit.
I planned on playing 5-6 more seasons, and they took that away from me.
The former place kicker alleging that just after signing with the team in 2013, he got an infection in his toe that his private doctor later diagnosed as the antibiotic-resistant staph infection MRSA. The lawsuit claims he contracted it in the Bucs training facility, where equipment wasn't properly maintained, disinfected, or cleaned, if at all. And he claims the Bucs doctors never told him it was MRSA.
This infection has just eaten me up inside. I mean, it can kill you. I was so mad that they did not diagnose me. Clearly, they knew.
The lawsuit claims the infection left his kicking foot with sustained permanent damage, and he hasn't played since.
Short and simple, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers organization ruined his professional football career.
Tynes was one of 3 Bucs players to contract MRSA in 2013. Back then, the general manager said this.
It's been something that's obviously very important to us, the player and health safety of our players, and we're going to continue to find new policies that we're talking about even now to even further strengthen our situation.
But now Tynes is accusing the team of negligence, saying in his lawsuit, appropriate precautions and procedures designed to prevent the spread of MRSA were neither in place nor being actively followed at the Bucs training facility. After facing possible amputation and undergoing 3 surgeries, Tynes says MRSA has now permanently sidelined him from the career he once loved.
Something I love and worked so hard for was taken away from me, and it could have been prevented.
And the Bucs now tell ABC News we do not comment publicly regarding matters that involve pending litigation. Meanwhile, Tynes says that $20 million the lawsuit is asking for is to cover the 6 or 7 additional seasons he would have played if he hadn't contracted MRSA with the Bucs. That's a whole lot of money, guys.
A lot of money at stake. Thanks,
3
Gio.
people in one season.
That's right.
Okay, Gio, thanks very much.